obi akwa anope edivide DSG TV emre no ko bebre misro fa che me wati fa che me se ne mesi afe wo no na se mbomodia de bibia beda wakoma so ede bo se ne abebia ne yeye na nyami so bibia no a wo join ni minya kojo freestyle ewo dwumedie Nsemsem Dwumadze yiso ewo DSG TV nyami so bibia ewo se ye tukwan ne ye kofa ne ekoso wo man sintem me ka kiro no Nsemsem Dwumadze no ye didire koso wo man mu nyina na ebro especially western region aha na ye wo nti ne ekoso ewo western region western north ye die yim bebia ene ye de bente no a se me tukwan ka krebi so na me kofa information bebre e de bro enti nyami so bebre se oni mi jo kojo freestyle edi Dwumadze ni fefefe ende maba na maba enti no maba so de na yaba DSG TV na mamimfa ensem bi na menkekambom na menkyerɛ se bi o we free wo ho a ye start February na ye ka se wo ye embark on a sanitation campaign enti no mpotem ho no na aye fi no efi aye ho ma no misrawo hesa sembe man bi mra meye ne yie ma wo ana se wo MP ana se omampani emra meye bibi emfa ma wo ya bo hu de rompanifo so de wose de aye wo yoko pipe anu honum na ekema mpanifo ekọ honum ekoti gata ni mu fan na ye maame no moto ade wo ho na enye omu anije enye omu ani so na omo san hye gata ni mu nsuo biem ye be san asere mpanifo se omo san konkọhye honum biem na nso no mde gata ni mu no omo sisa enfem free afa nyankopon ya adoma 6th March this year na nyankopon na Ghana enya 63 years enu nti no nyankopon ya adoma Saturday ye wo china 29th February ya empenifo ayese ombeye nationwide clean up exercise enti ne efie kuma ye beye bi egususu ayeye bebi bia wo bia no bomodin a o china nyankopon ya adoma enko bebia di umpotem wonum eni enra freestyle de story betu wenim efa gate bia omoye ewe fie kuma hase no kre yankopon adoma mpenifo e de wose e de aye oyo ama enra no mpenifo ko honum a Anglican church honum na Anglican church wona mpenifo e ko honum e se omguso a eye djuma e wo ho na de okokodo wo ankasa wo behu ye be kire o video kakra of na situation ne tie a ende yankopon adoma mpenifo etie Yesu a wo mu ye bibi e de afa ho wo wani tua last year nso eyi ni ti e we fie kuma Africa na honum no so wo se ne e honum si yi fa ye TTI student o muti honum ne ade ne nkwala no nso fa wo mu hostels a na e awe hosem so ahante no na mpenifo e de wo se de aye o yenti video na a share ye no eno eni Dwumadze mpenifo no guso wo mu de eni ebedi eche ne ya hese gata no anase drainage no moye no ombeye no ewie se ne ebeye a se nsuo no yi ni ti a enkofa how ni amane bia enfamre temufo mo efie kuma Africana area woni other communities a ewo efie kuma no enkofa problem bia enfamba enu nti no ye ka wo say sanitation exercise camp and sanitation campaign a DSG TV ye bo hu de ru no ni ye pese ye nkyere wo say umpotem honum na aye fin bomodin a se wo ankasa obeye hu bibi se ne ebeye a wo ankasa so apomodin no ebetumi ACP eno ena yesre se wo ubeye na ye nyina ye hu etumi ato ene ye behwe bibi sonku ene ye behwe bibi sonku se eba ne se wo choose role model a hu wo choose ni sen die na wo hwe nim die na wo hwefri nimpa ne ho no die na nimpa ne ye ema wo ka se wo choose na so role model se wo choose bi ewie so a woni ni pa koni kita hunde ne tisen ensemben ena nimpa no wo ka kyerɛw wo hwa ne kran na wo ka kyerɛw ana se bibi wo ho no ende ye se de mema betumi aye ne ma betumi aye but at a point in time no so no etumi affect ye man especially yemfa ne se oba ye engineer ana se be ma ye engineer na oba so pese o ye engineer yes possible so oba betumi aye engineer but at the end of the day no kai na hu say o be ware enti da be ma engineer no obeye no wo so betumi aye ana the same medume enwa me tu kwan ya medu fie 11 to 12 enti me kunu ni beje ho abribia saa na enso yesi kokonse adwume nsɛmtwe adwume ni amema ne ye ni yesi betumi aye ni nyina enwa ye kodom na fa ye fa moto me oba mema efo esa mi so me fu bi enti we ni nyina no ebe ye yie saade eno hu kunya na napa yesi e wa ase ya ye ba be hwe se bibia betumi akoso sene wo fa so twiso wo mudo e na wo fa no so no e de ben communication it is saying de wo ka che no ano no a senye no ano no a de e na wo as a person no wo ye e de afo not to say role models choosing is not it's a wrong thing. No, you have to have a role model, but you have to also make sure say role model na wo fa no de wo ka che and de wo hu pepe eno ehun kunya na napa yesi wa ase ya meni oba so no bi meni se wonim no ha wonim no so ende obehu no last year ye Fonton from Amanti Awards wo Takrade library wo no ladies so no bi tuntum bi sa no wo kɔ no oba no wo kɔ no wa yera 37 die ya bi wo kɔ no oba bebre uti so wati Eva da wati Eva Fonton from Eva Fonton from Fonton from wati and the only any everything kunyaka because we share the line of work now or ta universities senior high schools any in especially ekasa senior bi o mechusu o mo career o mechusu wo models e dia wa ma wo mo ho eno nti ena na benene aba studio ha cs ene ne ba twetwe enkomo enti anti Eva Shita yes because me di ba ku bi wo ho ena me dia shentum enti na ni se adi ni nyina ye penti na ma eya me bua na pese me bo me de ne de ka se ne be ya bisu menya sa influence ni bi so aha enti no pacho di mambo ni am de me de na ka ho aha enti anti Eva Shita ma kwa ba de by DGTV
me just say ya onia
yeah pacho chi ni de chi no Fante o awale sa abazi so na o on shada anti ne papa
eya mo Fante me
iyo ya titi ede be fafa so aha ede be fafa enti anti Eva pacho bibia boko de we dey say otumiti ase
nyame oh bibia boko me look like as a me o but e bia say me express me ho too much na na be
na wako me mama na amana mo wono matese enti ye share gender equality some unspoken truth bia ye role models mudi sie yen ena na pe ye hwe ena afi so se ye choose a na ye choose na ye hwe de omo ka kire ye ene de aye hunu so a how I say yetumi ye we ni ehu se no de aye hunu ne omo ka kire eye no kre ena afi so ye starting say wo ba ebe choose career e de ama ne ho enye bad because there is saying say and then their mema ne yen e ma ye so ye bi their wonam schools are wo ye mema no so ye bi na so ye hwe say when you get married will you have the time to go to schools, to go to programs, to educate women and all that? E be a course seminar be and you close around, let's say 5 o'clock. You have kids to cater for them. You have a husband to take care of. Remember the baby say 6:37. But that time no baby 5 o'clock no. Now I prepare be. Even they say we want more new generation fridge for the week. So but then no taking care of the kids from school, you know, taking care of be having some snacks before the evening meal. Ni ade nyina no. It's the same.
Okay. So first of all, meda ideas GH has for the platform given to me. And secondly, may I apologize if make up before baby cry and let them move and me that. And then thirdly, thank you Nanama for giving me this platform. Okay. So you move it to the question that you asked. I think it's concerning role models.
Yeah.
And then the career that you choose. So we are starting with career, if may I correct?
Yes, that's my career.
Okay. So what I would say is before you choose a career for yourself, no, I would say one who say definitely if we are bad, definitely you're going to get married. If you're a man, you're going to get married. It's gone are the days that your parents, umame, papa, and a bit you see what you should do. It even happened of late. Once I say, oh, maybe onye obey say me ba we onye obey say. No, you don't impose certain things on them. You just give them the chance. No matter so much selecting as akola no only no. You look at in the field, ebia or ya idea ha or pay nyama feche. Then you see where you put that akola no. But akola obi or ya akola no or pay temperature check or pay oh mommy oh daddy and I say obia or feel say you are not well up. I say oh making sure say you're okay. That doesn't mean that also you're a doctor. So when you grow up, that is when you make your decision. And then people, when you go to SHS and go 4 year if I say science, I did general science.
Okay.
And then science, the people career nurse, it was trying to be quite makeup artist. People do literature and other things, and I wish I not more shifting. Even in the university, or because career course, but that doesn't mean say, oh we are and no way jumana obenya aye. So first of all, make sure you what your career idea about you should love what you do. It should be your passion. Okay. First of all, it should be a passion. Say a passion that said that you will worry company who say, oh, idea me or you know. Edisikaba, Nenije, Nakuma Tony. And then also if you are working and then you are working out of passion now. Ubafia, there is no even if pressure also can because of a year with dent, there is no pressure on you. I'll bet to me I'm mounting that pressure on your husband and let's say, oh my if you are basa because what you are doing, you are happy with it.
Yes. And our husband is so etiwasi.
Exactly. You just continue with your normal duties. But that doesn't mean that like because you're a reporter, so that means that every day you have to go out. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm not sure it works like that.
Yes, so etina aponchinia waje wo. Enti we do remember never je wo na afia kofa nsem bebe na dey.
It depends on ebeje wo. I'm not married yet, but I know say ebedu baby before Beji one, your husband is also aware. That is when communication comes in. No, but there are some women they are so passionate about their work. Say, like, look, nothing. Yeah, be man be tenase, but the fact be man not tenase no. Obey is because be man it boils back to the gender equality whole thing. Because of maybe more idea of feeding na drain answer or babe worry no, it's still there. Intina or no or feel say okay because I'm a reporter I will come home at this time so you can't tell me anything to me yes that's the time I'm a buffy. No, it doesn't work like that. That is when miscommunication drives in. We're communicating wrongly to someone about okay bema buffy at any time so you can also go home at any time now. It's all part of this gender equality thing that people are preaching that they're not preaching it well. So you understand gender equality well, and then your husband has given you a platform of you also becoming probably an engineer or anything. That doesn't mean say you're on the same shoulders with your husband.
Oh, okay.
You can, when your husband does something, but to me, and then I can say no questions. Sometimes you can get angry. It gets out of hand. But then no question. I was saying about Sebio.
The Bible say man yemre yehwase man. But when him say man no so nya san a notion in their head. Enti no munya de ade bi ni share sana pay. That form na minjetia also. We have men like that. But some too.
We have men like that. I feel of late men who also those days na say oh Mira. Oh, still it happens, but those days na say bema no muteti ambaso. Say na say bema eteti also is because he wants to do it. It's not because a amambre. Because you see obia enye we call villages campus to ebinum use smartphone. Like nkofo enye that's the reason why now we are allowed to wear jeans, you're allowed to wear heels and musicians obia enye obi at the papa ye nkofo fe. So you can't tell me say you are still with the mentality even those that nothness na omoka say or mukunu na ba bekoto kunu. It is nice to do it. You understand? But you say 21st century things are changing. That doesn't mean say meba whether one my baba bedaho me couldn't say no. Everything is communication. That is the reason why communication.
But some men fancy that pound.
So obey tete also.
No, not obey tete also. But instead, men hey, me do you like say like they want to be like ni obekabia hey.
It's pampering. Also bit more muti. You know there are some funny enough. There are some people that. Omo pesade no ebi won so a we ye ne sa na say ofili say asa wo hunya bibi na wo yes na say we say we deceive me na wo yes. There are some men immediately you start being like the words that you used, you know, bemena say they no baby no. There are people like that, and there are people when you do that now automatically no mo feel say okay, I'm being pampered, I'm there, and they would rather give. I feel of late it's just communication. Because some person will hear and yes, you tell the wife that, oh, so we say I'm a manager. Then she would see how she can blend that to how things are being done now. What do you say?
But Mema, and then do they do that? Do they communicate what makes them happy and all that? You see, sometimes Mema be on my one count or better why what committee we know, then she will react. He will react on that. So if it's a woman wouldn't yet like we steady near my year. And I said you are not attentive to your guy, you wouldn't know certain things about him.
Exactly. She'll be acting for, let's say, 10 years, 11 years or whatever. Some pakonika so only need to buy be ensure, no matter what, only ensure. Or person train more warriors of their child, or better more warriors of their child. That's the reason some counselors are saying that who share or ban as a my name chance, worry. You understand?
That's when is right, simple.
Oh, you don't tell someone when the person is supposed to get married. Don't anyone bet you up and say worry 2 years after you are in a relationship because it's a kind of what they worry. Even though first the traditional aspects of it, no. If you are not ready for marriage, Charlie, you can't just put your head in something. Maybe I can say it's here for but it's my own perspective, and then will be about what I think or what I perceive. For me, I'm not sure I'll get married and then go and fight over chocho. I wouldn't want to get married and then make a fight. It's not bad. But also, that doesn't mean I'm full chocho. Mentality be a medasham. That means that person who say, I wouldn't get married and then some things are not right at my side. Who worry Bema no family. Bema no worry and the family budget sika. Obia, oh, saying you ho, I was saying yes, I was saying, I'm betting sika. Your family too will be expecting money from him, coming from him, because what about the worry? And see, ebia omu here be some the pressure too, so I was also for pressure into be man so. Then always over fear. I won't say muntem enye we because we train waha. You understand? So muntem enye fine. So I have to make sure that me wo ejina baby answer my worry. That is me. Me, I don't care whatever someone is going to say, but that is me. Me, person me making sure that doesn't mean say me come back now. Me can say okay, person me nyasika baby, person me yes, person me achieve my dreams and all that. Provided I've started, let me who say a good foundation. No, I'm good to go. You understand me? I am so good to go. So going back to Mbemana, maybe still they want those olden days way of reacting towards their wives, reacting towards them. I feel. They just want to do that to you. Because people are of late not getting married because some it's either pregnancy, some it's either peer pressure, we are worrying to girl family pressure, also family. So they get married, mostly nurses should forgive me. Omunya almost backup allowance then they get married. And then Madam Funes be or worry and China problem started so, but I don't know if now they are divorced or they are still in the marital home. I don't know what is happening. But worry do some time but because flourish and then luxurious wedding no. And then they be a man baba no or kasa or no kasa, so she was fed up. At younger, she was like 22 years, not worry, because we weirdness and sikaba and all that. And then now people will be putting pressure on who I won't worry. I said, oh, they won't and I said, oh, they know my uncle. You see, people are actually doing things now in the society because others are giving them the pressure. Because for mom pressure, say, hey, you say. So people are actually doing it. Me, nobody is going to tell me that either. Let me see the thing that I've cultivated. Okay, if I wear a wig, by force wear a wig and I'll wear it. No. I don't come for money for food from you. You don't tell me what to do. Sabi said me wusi siya na me ko share siya na say my like kind of me ko share friend saying Lagos town we say people will be going and coming. They will never even come to you until maybe 1 year anniversary. Hey, even that day that they are going to bury you, no come back to funeral grounds. So why should I please you? And this is the same thing. This is what is making concerning the role models aspect. You know, you see, they tell us things that are not true. I don't have anything against Obia Obeba Bichinwaka say gender equality. Obema engineer or buying engineer, I don't have any problem. Bema a CEO or some buying say it is normal. Bema a CEO or some buying say it is normal. Everything that they say is normal because so far as the woman is intelligent, she has the strength, she has the ability, she thinks that she can do it, she should be allowed to do it. I don't have any problem with it. But I have a problem with it when you enforce it. What can I say? It was set on ye, it was some more banning you see. It was no, you don't enforce things like that. If you do that, you are just putting bad things in people's mind and then they grow up with it and it affects them. For instance, I wouldn't mention the person's name, but I had this before I decided not to have any role model. I am myself like me role model. As I had this role model, and then my siblings can testify to that. I had this role model. I was allowed to see the person. I went to the person. I was talking to the person like, "Oh, my listening ears. Oh, tie masem. Oh, tie minsem. Some make a kanina. Or advise me because obia on me. Or introducing me to hen was waiting for a response. Oh, mami bibia. I came back to Takrade. I called her several times. My friend anonfa. I'm sending message on respond. They know online. Or be reading message no on female. Okay, and then back on about social media, we live some life be. But when I went there, things were not like how I portray. Now, if I am here, na me so sabi me Jimmy a woman me who send back on social media, and there was just out away or she and then what dress it? You are a journalist. I'm sure some people will do almost dress you they take the dresses back. They take the things back, but they will never tell them that. Living some lifestyle, they will never tell you that this is what I am doing and this is not what is supposed to be done. And then again, so your foolishness, we will just pick the things that are not true about Mpakono. And then because Mpakono kita kanti, also miss mean cracker, because Mpakono or eba. I don't speak ill about single parenting.
Okay.
Because yes, and that means that I'm not being fair to other people. But don't come and tell me that there was nothing wrong with being a single parent. You don't know the pain in it. It is not easy. Don't make the thing look like it is easy and then the person will go through it and then later but maybe maybe would your ba ejina ye. That doesn't mean that obi subenya sa akonya no it's akonya right. Obi benya sa akonya no so na ne ba no etumi enini in that manner. You understand? We preach to people that being a single parent it's normal. And you can take care of your child. And then also I can take if you like go. But when they go home, they take off their clothes, they go to bed alone and they lie down, they cry. That is the truth. They cry. And then they are strong and then they come back. They come back and they become feminists. And they will never let you be in their shoes. And they will never be in your shoes as well. That is one hurtful aspect of the whole thing. Kind of crying show. Secondly, so if you come and you tell me that, okay, Eva, the truth about the whole thing is that, I just want us to do this gender equality thing. Let's go to the villages and tell them that they can also do the things that their husbands are doing. They can also do these things. They can, fine. But just remember that they still have this olden mentality of where you mikunu and to be if you go and then you pollute their mind. But the best thing we are supposed to do is to tell them how they can make business, how they can, if so, or farming, na sebia, pakono your friend is saying cassava or dia banchina. Banchino, sebia with the bakroma, obenya ni say, ubetumi aton ni say. Then you get it like the price is never more than a biabet in a village or not obi ababeto bakono ntoni chip nti de bomodi anafa ka anafa bra oba yen say ebema good marketing. We wouldn't tell them that. We wouldn't tell them how to be good entrepreneurs, how to manage businesses, how to do all those things. We would not tell them that. And then we'll be telling them that what a man can do, a woman can do it better. Bema yes say, I also yes say. No. Nti sebe pakono kopre no yes single parents na. E den no befa e kwan no befa so e kwan bai na obefa so a obedidi. I don't quite a conversation so obedient. You understand? So I feel it's about time people actually say the truth about this gender equality whole thing.
I say, ebi ohun waka say, oh, to say, I know you, Eva. Okay, me say Eva, this or that. Personally, that is from my own observations. Near there, me know from you. So me say Eva, I say. Okay, now Eva has gotten to a level where I don't really see her. I don't really know her much. Like I'm not getting to know most things about her near there. And you know, like let me follow her on YouTube. Let me follow her on social media because that is the only means I can get to know Eva, what is happening to Eva right now. Then now I contact you. Oh, Eva, Charlie, that's what I want to do. Oh, okay. But then there will be certain things that you will be doing. But by then, because of where you are right now, I wouldn't know. And you know, I'll be like, oh, Eva, I know her. Oh, Charlie, I've been to her programs. I've met her before. I've engaged her before, and all that. So with Eva, I know it's by now. Okay, you say we free 2 hours. So call 10 now. Okay, 10. Maybe or the way back can we be able call Parliament House. Maybe able call the gender ministry. You know those things. So I wouldn't be much interested in knowing what's happening right there. But then I'll call you direct, and then you also lie to me.
And the answer lies in their more because nobody would want to show you what is in their cupboard.
So sometimes don't you think that is some of the reason why people don't really go much into role models before they get to accept them finally? Say, "Wait, I am a role model."
It's because they don't even give you the chance. They wouldn't give you the chance. Me obi amekoshiano no down for pa. That's the reason why I was given that access. But they wouldn't even give you the chance. I wish once in a while they can do some video call, live videos, and then talk to them. Forget about what you're doing, your career and everything. Tell them about your life. Move to the people. Maybe gather some. And I think I don't blame them one way or the other. I think I blame your friend saying, "Yanka say yahu. Say if I say me be shiao, na na ma we me role model." My baby share na ma catch him say, oh, say na identity. Say na identity. While we share the cranny na egwo amount. You will go and then you start. Pakona person can't public and san can catch a public. But the pakona yena kumem catch you go and stand somewhere and then you would ombeka asem no say asem no ombeka enchinegum akwa say asem no out there. So they also do not feel safe out there to tell the truth or their secret to people. They can't tell you the whole truth. So it will start from us. If you bet to me atu yanum and then just listen and then maybe look at them. So we should just open our eyes and then listen, but not our mouth. It would have been better because if I feel secure, say me banana me ba wana some beka ma some chewa. E best stay open. Now there are two team na wafa afu to be near the oma. Why not? I will come. But if I come and I tell you my secret and then I will hear it from someone else, I wouldn't be happy because they don't feel safe anymore. That is the reason why most a blog be secret and everybody will be talking about it. It doesn't make sense. So I think it's from younger sana, role models now. We are not ready to listen to them. It makes us we are not ready. That doesn't mean saying your time, but we can't close our mouth. I will say any. That's the thing that we cannot do. If we can do that, I think they would be open with us. Because for now, I mean, I don't see any role model. Sometimes but blacks na yakwa feminists abeto yesu ne de yen kan nokre nokwanya menyim. I went to YMCA school be a runabout harbor runabout one YMCA school be one. It was that was my last one at McCoy recently. And then McCoy many omo kasa me catch omo say I was saying the same thing to them. Omo yem bankwa me catch omo say forget about who say obi or TV so and pakona shewe forget about who say obi etwa picture bi or chatare fine bi and forget about that. You are baby I want a vocational school. Focus on what you came there to do. Make sure that be one now you are perfect. Kwana ko bi ejuma na start say we ejuma. You will also start earning something. You should be etwa picture ho. But don't fight to be like someone else. It is the secret. Don't fight to be like someone else. If you try being someone else, you can never ever achieve your goals because sometimes I say na nama na me hu say na nama lucky in 10%. Or me so lucky it bia me lucky no, but because na nama am role model, I really want to do anything possible to make sure say me do be na nama edru. So whether it would take me whatever to do whatever, I am ready to go through it.
Okay, so share the merit and the demerit about this, the choosing of the role model and all that. To we women, what are some of the things that you think that when we choose role model, sometimes it's like a big advantage at the my, and as a big for so at the my man.
Okay, and for so no, I wouldn't mention a lot. I think I'll just say one. And for so
because some choose role models and then they end up in a good life, like not having the same, but a pepe and I say be or no chain or kakra near there because people me say if I say if I were a role model, that is not to say what year 2 ma. I said tier 2. No. Exactly. That is not me.
Exactly.
That is not. But we have people who say if I role model, if I share 2, I measure 2 or share 1, measure 1.
Me, because of me who say I'm living some different kind of lifestyle, so I decided to choose Bema or Be inspire me. So there is this guy on Instagram, Kojo Jones. He's your friend say real estate developer.
Okay.
And he is well to do. He has an empire. He's well to do. I decided to choose him to inspire me, not to be a role model, to inspire me. So if me or Bano me fa Bema na se Bema no should be we drew. My focus is not how Pakone dress. My focus is not how the person looks, not how the person talks. But baby Pakone drew in life, I want to make sure that Miss Medru. But I should take a path that will be okay with me. And say, who about say, won't role model not your bar. The only positive aspect of it is, Abia, you think she has, sorry, can I say breast? She has breasts, she has bottles, she has the private parts that we are all having. I don't know any advantage.
What can English me ya na kakra
say?
No. Yeah, let's speak the English. I'm saying say what can English me na package kakra.
I package.
So me see what there's any man pepper.
Okay.
It's okay. I put send any haje.
Okay.
Package kakra na just say.
Our breast.
Yeah.
Female breast or buttocks or like all the private parts. Remember, or all the private parts, or no for or two. Do you understand? Or will be BRB. That is me. To me, if I pick a female role model, Sana me who said the only advantage to me is that idea me woni be no. Intend me feel okay around the person.
Oh, okay.
I don't have female. I wouldn't advise someone to even pick a female role modeler. Once not one can trust any way. It should be a role model who is closer to you.
And most times we pick role models who are far.
Yes, it should be someone who is closer to you. Say bibinia who reaching back. It should, even if it's your mother. We all have our negative aspects. Even if it's your mother, sometimes obey to me advice. So my mother has a very big problem with me because I don't open up to her. So recently I was going to choose apprentice for my shop, and then my catch said, "No, you're painting." No, say, "Hey." Me na make her just like, "Oh no, you're painting." Because I would never tell her to involve herself in anything that I do. You understand? Because I feel say, "Okasa me ye bibia," ayo ono no interest. Nemo ono ayo okay.
Oh really?
Yes. Try it. Just try it. Pick someone as your role model. Now catch yourself say, when you say, and listen to what the person is going to tell you. But when start say to say idea on pay about you, I catch you say start we're working on it. Maybe idea on pay no, idea who pay.
That's one day. It's true.
Good. I don't really.
Or maybe they don't really understand why you are like that.
So if you go anywhere, Ama, tell people that you meet that they should pick role models who are closer to them. If you can't pick someone who is closer to you, let yourself be your own role model. Share our instinct, it talks to us. What's now when I walk out with you and you know, maybe be catch yourself who rears you. And when someone role model catch yourself, hey, who rears you? Debbie, maybe not catch yourself who rears you. It's your own instinct. I wouldn't choose any role model again in my life. So anywhere I go, I always say that it will get to a point in time where I'll be talking to people. I'll be on a platform probably, hopefully, many platforms, and I'll be talking to people like that. Probably, me if you want to be shooting me. because I'm going to tell the gospel truth. Someone might shoot me.
So you think there are certain truth that they're not telling?
Exactly. I don't want to put everything out, but exactly. Nanama, I have a son. I think this is the first platform I'm saying this. I was trying my best not to say it, but I have a son. A lot of people do not know. I am proud of my son. Me not telling people that I have a son doesn't mean that I am not proud of my son. It's because I don't even need your judgmental issues. If I tell you I have a son, the first question, who is the father?
Why didn't you marry?
Are you guys married?
Because it's whoever like you know who before
I won't worry. I don't want to disrespect anybody. Because if you ask me where is the father, what they are worry. But the things I went through, into me call baby, na me kwakasa, me catch you say, don't ever try to be like me. Because probably my man can't just say me over. So don't try to be like me. Pick the things I say, work on it, then make sure say it make a positive impact in your life. Do you understand? I wouldn't come and tell you that I have a son. But I'll make sure that I will tell you that don't do this, don't do that. Pick those things. My private life, pick the positive things that I'm telling you now and making impact in your life. If I have a son, I don't come to you for school fees. I don't come to you that my son is dying. No. Maybe some people might support me here and there. They are the people that I'll talk to, but not the public. Do you understand? So if I come and tell a female that she, I'm lying to her. If you catch her or say men way, or I will say Emma on ye. So when I go and I meet females, I tell them that if a guy calls you, go. He will definitely ask of your number. Yesterday I met one man with whom I check. My grandmother or who send me baby shop be or who send me your way and to wait to me number. Let me say Debbie. I'm so where whom I showed me or born papa dear one man maybe. Still I can't give you my number. I'm say why am I being difficult? Let me say who me Debbie and I'm number. And this is I'm number my man. What will be the difference? The difference is he's going to call me to disturb me.
Are you not being hard?
I'm not being hard. This is me. If I give you my number, I am faking. I wouldn't give you my number and you call me and then I will cut the call. No, I am supposed to pick the call. That's the reason I'm giving you my line. So if I don't give you my line, it's because I don't want you to call me. Don't call me. I was telling you the other time that it's very hard for me to keep friends.
Yeah.
Good.
You told me.
I have few friends. Even them, I have a friend I met to me at Chamber 2, 3 months, 4 months. I'm in friend. That doesn't mean that I don't like her. Immediately my friend we can communicate as if we've always been talking. But that is me. I say the truth around people and they don't like it. And it's all become asem. Metisa wa kamasem. But be ginger me. Go and ask her. But me obi so ask me so asem na say asem na koye and asem be side but then I'll be crying. It's not because I am soft. It's because I can't say certain things to you. Why am I auntie? Why am I dear? Na me yusu. I say me Jimmy o. Because me ferry to me can't say me. Na I am ja. I wish that I can get that courage. Obi madam tell it. Na makaka madri ache na mako. I can't because I respect people. So if that being the case, I'm closing my circles so that you wouldn't come in and disturb me and then ask us, "See, I was disturbing no. I was saying, can be na maka no ko jabi aka. The member me." That's simple. I wouldn't tell a young girl, say, Bema Frewa, don't go. Go and listen to what he's going to tell you. I'll catch you so, I want to take care of you. Okay, you want to take care of me? I want to open a barbering shop. Can you open the shop for me? Okay, when? When should I go and ask of the shop? Then you give me the money. Then I see that you mean business. So,
really?
Yes. Oh, you said I should give you my...
But listen, how would you know that this guy that called you, that you denying him your contact, he would be your help? Not to say that he's going to propose to you or something, but then he's going to be your help, in future. Maybe he has seen that, okay, this girl, the way I've been looking here, going and all that, she will be like this person, or she'll be a business person, or she'll be this or that. So I just want to help.
What would you say? Obi, bema biba, nasa bema nbeboawa. You would see it. From how the person is going to talk to you, you will see it.
But some men do deceive us so.
They don't.
I'm coming. Yeah, like I've heard some real stories. I've heard some, I won't mention any name. But then the guy disguised himself. No, like it's real. This one, like you'll be hearing these stories, but then this one, I'm saying it's real because of where it's coming from. And then he proposed to that lady. Meanwhile, that woman has been helping men all her life. Then they deceive her. So she has vowed to herself, so she's not going to get married, and she's not going to help any man that comes across her way. You get it? And then this guy came in, and then we're like, friends, sort of. And we'll be saying 500 cedis at a go. You're like, sure. If you know what I've been through in the hands of men, you wouldn't even come and ask me 1 cedi because I won't even give you. Then she went home, lay on her bed, and then she was like thinking about this thing. Like she feels so bad that we have people like that. So then she was like, okay, why don't I try it? I was like, a guy in the campuna, on the class of guys, because why not to say it's on a downfall. Okay, then one. So let's say it continued like that for some time. And the family crowd rejected guy because he looks so Richard. Like nothing about him inspires. Nothing about him says that he can even be a good person in future. And I said that's so important. So what you say?
Is it not easy, Kenny? Or when
he was.
I don't have any problem. Not to
he's
catch
having
you
money
off.
like something.
Not to catch you off, but being cast and young fan says I'm a guy. Now be man waba, and because you can be my helper, so I should give the person my contact and all. I don't have any problem. Sure, I am very simple. I can make new friends. Maybe I offer my block you. But Michelle would say my block. I didn't say that doesn't mean that I don't give my contact out. ABI business, I'll give it out to the person. ABI, I just want to be a friend because I want to ask you certain things. I want to be talking to you more because I go through this, that. Your sound phone as well. And there are people,
because maybe I must say that I'll give it to you. But if me say me who will line now what day ban about come you then my blocking thing.
Me, I see it from there. If this guy so who catch him say, me henny, okay, I don't have internet. I just want to be a friend, and I'm not going out. I'll give you the chance. You become a friend of mine, and then kasa. It's not because what this guy so I'm going to throw you away. I like people who are close to me, and they'll be asking me things. Baby some misika bisa na me dia mampa krono. What you say? I entertain people like that, but that doesn't mean say hey. It be like papa we na sem na me kan say your friend is saying or catch me say only me say me family number. When all he was trying to say is that I can take care of you. You can't take care of me. You understand? You can't take care of me. If you can take care of me, and can you have taken care of me? I've been a China women say me twice as a married man, I can take care of you. So that so when can I see you again? See me again for?
Like, seriously?
See me again for what? See, I have a strategy where I pick my friend.
So, like in all of this, you're discussing gender equality, how you can choose your role model, things that you have to look out for. One, you must know yourself, know what you really want to do in life. Area around and you choose your role model. And when choosing, be very, very, very careful. If you're a woman and you're choosing a role model or a career, make sure that you choose a career where tomorrow you wouldn't have issues with your marriage. Because you'll marry one day. Because you have money one day. Because you one day have money. Like only be money now who say like some 1,000 cedis, be money 1,000 too. So the difference is not that large beer. But then how to sustain your marriage in the midst of that? Only be money the same office. And I say the same profession, you are earning a salary more than your husband. We show role model now, Olivia, very high class near. How are you going to make sure that that's your role model and that your profession doesn't influence badly? That is what we are discussing today. And then Nsemsem Dwumadze, that's the angle we are going. So don't see say I am a politician and I say I am a these are some of the things that we need to also work out for our own self. Because trust me, he is working for himself, and in the family. And you don't think say Ojun as a father of the nation, but then Ojun ebusi your phone so it is high time we also fight for our own self. Empina within the chain or ye juma they share the family now one kasa. You are we are probably we are 10 matter to him, we are last card to him. So then how do you also build up yourself? Empina ocean no person yeah MP there's no problem about that. It's not a mistake. So yes I did. But trust me, say MP do you really know him well? Do you really know you yourself well? Say the MP no to me yes because they go through a lot. One more than on can pain infantry. Trust me. If God should open your eyes and your ears to know what is happening about that role model, and I say what really gingered him or her. Near them. Trust me, ubejai. So then you know yourself.
No, you were talking about sikasem as in ebia say we ejumana wunyaska dubebia you changing. I was happy when you asked me that during the awards time, you know. Ubisam say so if I get maybe money or I get to some stage maybe I was going to change and all that. But people close to me knows that people even doubt say into your West. This morning I was walking with my cousin and then we see your Mary and then my grandmother on the street and I made sure we have somebody in the okay, you would sometimes see me in town and then be like Eva, no, Oninia. I don't give a damn about that. People get money and they change. And yes, sometimes some say, I didn't say, "Sika cents," and I say, "Can go on my account?"
No, but you know, we are living in a world that when you move from one level to the other, we expect certain things from you. To say, first, I'm a material. First, me hear radio. You see, me hear TV, and me hear radio. Sometimes you always see me in the sun. Going here when minima say, you know, but see me hear TV, see minima if for camera. So, ochino una son what is this? Like this girl, is she for real? Like is she the same person I've been seeing on TV and all that? But trust me, move from one level to the other doesn't change anything. But whether I didn't know na wo ye na a movie wono and I say ain't change essence such a but not your appearance, and I say your looking will change there. But master, when you are doing the real thing, when you really mean business.
Okay, there was this celebrity that I was working with at some point in time, around 2014, 2015. And then she wanted to buy roasted potato, brother to train and cut it. Not na hamna, oyi ne purse. Oyi the person who can 5 this, na 50 pesos in sushi. But she thought I didn't see it. So you know I can 5 this 50 pesos. Not oil call. I nearly mentioned the person's name. Oil call now, offer manager. Offer no, and then they were speaking nothing that gone back okay. And then I could hear what they were saying. No, or catching that they cannot go to an account no ombeyo. This and this car 50 pesos into or buy anything. And she was talking undertone. Now minimum man, no money janeke. No so okay on the bepe like roasted plantain no way. Desire on send this can this no watch no. And then or end the corner and catch him say, lady, I feel like eating. Listen to the English I'm saying. Lady, I feel like eating roasted plantain. Can you get it for me? It's like, okay, how much? I don't like eating. Can you get me maybe how much is it? Let me say, me see could be 70. And I'm saying that time it was 50 pesos. Okay, will you eat something? No, I'm okay. I took in rice. No, see, okay. Get me 1 CD and then Ghana 50 pesos. Let me see, okay. Now me kwaje man. I realized that once in the majaman no, and you need yemu and so no. But at that time no. That's how she's supposed to portray herself. And see, your no say or kwa bontain, aqua yade. To me share no aqua could first some small boy be say on top roasted plantain and catty man. And she sat in the car. And see Odima met man rain and what's not in the can no toy. And so by no business say you didn't you buy ya. No me say oh yam fan yamba. Oh she wants water. Oh where's her ATM? Like seriously? I wish I can stand. I want water. Where is my ATM? Oh, I nearly mentioned the manager's name again. No, one manager, not friend. I want water. There was no water here. How can I rehearse without water? Someone kind of catch and say, I saw the phone my security and security. So at that particular time, it was like we had two these 50 pesos. It's not a peso basica, not the aquacoto insurance. Also on ways and means to get water to drink. Share. Me, hey. Still, make a top body to turn and Eddie. Even if God permits and I get to some point in life, I will still get down from the car, go and buy my brother to twin and then cut it. You don't put yourself in some shoes that you know that Edu baby it would affect you. No. It is the mistake that we are all doing. Now even common slave queens now some of them are here he do camp or first someone got brother to twin and cut it.
No,
who are you?
Last night I was arguing with someone say Kase Obi a slave queen.
We have a boss woman and we have a slave queen. Be a boss, not a slave queen. Boss is slave.
You know why I'm asking this? This sister fear. I be my slave queen and then my one corner.
Later in the video, no, yeah, later no, but so that,
really?
that defines a slave queen. A slave queen,
okay. Because I was talking to the manager and then he was like, slave queen na lady ni boy, you know, it's not to say beer. Munini Hoshi and I say, sorry to this, a prostitute and Onini Hoshi and she's looking up for men now must sponsor and that is not what she meant in the song.
But you see,
so I mean, so like then I took the song, I listen, I don't have it on my phone though, but then I listen on radio and I'm more like, okay, but you know, we are understanding that slave queen, which is a well, would you Hoshi, but you're trying to be someone that
no. Some slave queens have money.
Oh, really?
Some slave queens are more. But you see, we have a boss slaying like a boss. Okay. And we have a slave queen slaying like a slave queen. That's the reason why boss chicks, boss women, or brandy or differently. And then the slave queens are we that we are always on
especially
social,
iPhone.
like, you know, the iPhone people. No, on watch your money could be some style being idea no. Someone would dress. When I was doing this shop, like Mr. TM, we be home more town. I'm share jumpsuits in the top. Be my swan here. She me TV, my chichery. I hear some style. Be. I'm sure someone will see him like, get no basa basa. Fine. Let me finish with what I'm doing and get back to you. And then that will be when you will see me probably slaying, and I have my work to do. Mostly, no, slave queens, no. Jaffa, say. Now we are the slave queens. I'm not being skinny and I thought being a magic way, no. That doesn't mean say we your boss on your own. You can't wear those things.
See, I say branded. This boss not a fact. Say you have to brand because you see, I'm a say no. You see, I'm who says I'm missing me dressing but TV so then you will see me in town dressing or somewhere. What is this?
No.
Branding no
no, there is a difference between what you just said. You are on TV and what dress you say. Okay, how many people know that Nanama or Wofia Nasa or around her say no dressing? How many people know? How many people know about that? Probably people do not know that it's Nanama or Wofia or you say Nanama or TV. So me, there are a lot of people they know that hey, so who say if I makeup and I just say bia a junior ending. Who say if I say I just say junior ending. There are some people they don't know you for who you are. Obe so we shall heal them. How because girl we have no concern about tam heal.
Because me ba say I dey heal me. Come on in change say heal me for 1951 No. Now
but it's just to give you some height.
But now I say the oversteer yes I'm looking the but me ba wo some slippers na me na messy.
And man, also some people don't know that this is job. They don't differentiate between job and you. Hey, I mean to make I shouldn't wear my tracksuit and then my top, or I should just wear some heel and dress and wear my body to train. No. People just should accept the fact that I am me and this is my job.
Accept the fact that you are you and nothing can change you. If you really want to change yourself, you have to do that. Don't let the influence of the society, and I say in the society, change you. No. Me ma role model be no me madam back was up at this car. Oh, it's coming. Up a Bugatti. Me born is over who is here. Me born over who is here. She's not. She's in the media a industry. Also, up a car no Bugatti. So, but because she hasn't gotten that money, I'm not sure it's the right that she's looking for somebody to buy her Bugatti. But then she really wants to work and get it for herself. So be you. If you really want to change yourself, change it to yourself. Don't let the influence in the society, and I said from your mother, from your friends, change you. When me started Jumawe, I was like, me share my senior colleagues, me show me how did I ask myself? So look at the way they dress, look at their hairstyle. look at this. Actually, me rasta away was my sister now, or catch him semini. And she gave me a whole lot of reasons why I should lock my hair. And I realized, Abua me papa. Papa, somebody will be like, hey, who they always can't lock your master? Don't think like that. There is more to it. So be you. That's what we are saying, right? But then, mommy call Facebook. Let me read some comments. Papa, be comments. I'll make it there. We'll try as much as possible to speak Fante, but then, you can't. I like you better come Fante, no, yes. You better come Fante, no, you better come Fante, the man, then, you best sell it, takade Fante, no, or Cordo, or Rumawa Sabade, if you come out, or I say, yes, we'll see all of that, don't worry. So, Solomon Kwesi Asari, I say, good morning. How are you? I'm really doing good. I hope you're also fine. I am watching you from USA. Thank you so much. Solomon Kwesi, or say, oh, Nana Mekanasem, or say, please let the Fante flow. Okay, into our Lancaster, say, well, we feel the vibe, Nibia. I'm making Fante, yes, Fanteno, or full flow off. And Zainab, and so say, good work. Thank you so much, Zainab. Jemens Goshas is watching with us. Thank you so much. Gabriel from my one and only producer. Nsemsem Dwumadze produce me basa baby oh boy and then Nana Bessa GH please Bisa Bessa yeah please Facha me GH or say nice I say nice show dear. Thank you so much and thanks for watching with us. So let's try to wrap up and answer and then Facha you say a program no yin to me and starting them. Why wouldn't him say internet ya be? We are not the show, sir. And y'all grow, you man Eddie. International bomb pay my near commodity TV so send your bay obey to me and the internet can went to me and shall bomb multi TV so obey to me and show office and I say baby be will be. So sorry soon. Finally, let's wrap everything up. Okay. Yeah, choose your role model. We want it to be at a higher place, and as we want it to be, bigger than our role models near the end. What are the things that we have to look out for?
Okay, I'll say.
But you're fetching you, and then who saying but Mama influencing me. The influencer need be an America no. Oh, well influence but you're a tree. Okay, you're going to Jenny never say yes.
Okay, Mecca say first of all. Before I bet you see role model, make sure say we name your person 1 year. Okay. Men idea role model no and then if we choose role model any role model a ben. Say ebia wo media now person who say okay now the best TV presenter or whatever is so and so. Yeah. If you want to be like her, you pick the things that maybe how she presents. And then you don't copy and paste, or you don't cut and paste. Copy and paste classes, don't cut and paste. Say, ubi kabro for can't touch a man, so touch a man. Don't pick the things that the person do. And so I say, why a replica of the person? It's boring. It's boring. We have a person who say we. No. The first thing you do is make sure you know what you are about to do. Keep to it. Don't change it because we'll be open as ASA. Just pick, and when you pick a role model who is far, pick senior or maybe how a Pakono active when it comes to reporting a particular case. Pakono assembly see ya penwa pick so you also be influenced. As a challenger will say, yeah. Okay, let me also do something like that. Pick the positive aspects of them. Don't pick the aspect that will Emma Wakofi na wadrim will say, hey, into where you can say always listen to yourself. If when your idea on tracker, what you make catch you. So first thing is that make sure you know what you're about, keep to it, pick the positive aspect of a role model. Fourthly, make sure say obi a wo fan or ben me money far away. And then if possible, pick I wouldn't say that one, it wouldn't be part. But the last one that I would say is, sweetheart, wherever you are, be true to yourself. Be very, very, very true to yourself. If you're not true to yourself, don't be in a haste to dress like someone. Don't. If you want to sponsorship, But you so my dressing fine I'm doing a copy sponsorship no. E bo cause be make us say sure why be music and all dey akwa to shoe ni entire.
That's when they're in the crow. I remember Val's Day near Bayer program be then your person in queer or taka demo, you know, saying check as a same say, you know. So then I went and then one comment to be and penini back home he was say, now was saying what they say like what buyer was saying say there. Say na munamu was can say some move on some dibiba.
It happens. Who dress basan so make it or me respectable.
And it's what they say to us. Imagine if I should have gone, you know, dress anyhow, be now because now we serious and I say visa. So I think say and also because of what they tell us all the time. Because I find they say call school journalism make sure say okay reporting don't be on heels because you wouldn't know what will happen. Exactly. But be on foot. Men just slippers and so be in trousers or something. Be in trousers or something. Make sure Satana will channel. Air can pass through so that Sabana say, "Oh, Jania, obey to me, Jania, dear." But then when you're above field in a pay, you see somebody going for a program now. The hero Gina say, "Watch me, dear, I'm sure see how I say." It's a when they say, "Hey, just when we are high class so, when we are senior so."
In all, and I'm make her say before, cause know what you are up to. If you know what you are up to, it's what you are going to say that will give them a comment. And yes, I'm addressing. There is this ethic that ladies are supposed to cultivate. We call conference room to do a presentation. When you open the door, you open the door, you enter, and then you close like this. I don't know if I can demonstrate. You open, you open.
So like the person just be a door now and forward. Say the normal ways, you know.
With the
no, many years and it will never be. I now do any more match because we knew more on me. Suddenly, a papa.
When they will back chair on one. And when now, Obia dream, as a sign, BB, Fufro, Bema de me and Bema. On one giant BB Fufro, or back what your abandoned, just move straight. They see your face, just go in for the business. Always prepare when you are prepared, and then you know what you are up to. When immediately or more projected, whatever you are coming to say now, when we say this person is different from the other person, it's as simple as that.
So it's simple as so, and then no, say me catch on no say, and then no, and then Friday. So I really wanted to give you something for your weekend. So know what you really want to do. Know who you want to be in future. Menye copy. Menye baby. English ni the mache. English ni the abane aba. Chale yaba. If you kuma krampona, chale English day in. Iti bofuri de mufanche se bofuna me basa mufa. Ene ne internet ne so na wa wonim. Enya me na meka wonim. MTN Vodafone phone and do mo ya ni enti na wo be chen. Enti no de e kan na say share na hu de wo ankasa opese wonya. De opese wonya no de wo ankasa so opese wo hu dachi. Ni bema wo ankasa opese wo mfa no. Amochi na sa okokọ ware a won ko fesi de a ye ma menum e face o mehu na omu face ye no. Se wati asia mema obi a medada mema obi nkyerɛ ne wo ye. De ne wo ankasa obetumi atawe na once the crown obetumi ahye na hye ne ye a. Hye ebetumi ato store de 20 cedis. But once in obeto market just me person me can say no be hu meto there be. And as obehu mechi me penisa. But ye ne wan kasa betumi ayi. Ebi betumi ahye store, be wutumi ahye store. Ye na ye call. Obi anye obi a. So what you say? Yakobo mba ye ni na be call heaven. Ye ni be call Nsemsem. Nyame Israel. Me see you will say, "I told them what is this?" See you who see you like you then. I didn't the day ni ejuma na ye. I say no person interest on no I say young boy it no some person interest but they trust me. Oni she. So we all ba na say bi ohun na bia. I say ehwini no. So that thing I can say ye ne wan kasa be be ma no hu na so person na wo sitting na wo be pel. Na say bibia IF and then we discuss gender equality, how to choose role models, how to know that your role model na woni mu and as we choose no is real and he or she is not faking. So what you say? And nyame sure say we nya kwan a wo share and I say wo so wo de comment and dey buy no so nyame sure anti Eva. Nyame sure wo
amen.
You know, as in when we'll be having her on the show. So I hope so I enjoy you know. So please and question what an kasa de give or border man the way anything why ras parents yeah see your border man and more than but that is her. She always wants to be her. That's what she's telling you, so be yourself. And God on a Saturday or open a new salon, or person won't look you with tea, or person when you let's measure the opposite will be a come, but your salon your fancy.
Fante from Beauty Village.
Yes,
so
they're front of my awards, but this year my award. But you so and your maca. Yeah, this year I'll wait your permission or book. I need some get to my award. If I win it in front of what
Beauty Village.
Beauty Village. Into only thing we are no a Ghanaian is or a natural woman. Sir, front of beauty. Much away.
Lagos Town. Ivorian Guest House Road. No, Walker Hospital. Lagos now we see for more.
Maybe I'm meeting now. Anything the way.
It's a way event.
Tano Crum. Say new Lagos Town. You oh, okay. But your phone number for Tuja. So be say when you yeah.
So 057 812 8100.
But you'll be one no kakra. Why?
057
and when you go for
812 8100. Or can I buy you be for free?
Let me see what the number near day.
Me.
I say more. Because you see you, Pacho. Oh, who know it? Dear, be any from Nabisa me as a wide be to myself. Because I won't call out for. Intimate Pacho, me yet say Tambia on a brabo. Remember you sleep queen be me a be on a brabo. What
you be very for free, and then we use natural products. And then never be a local. I just want to make me person. So just a touch of
me tea near the end now. One or more cheating, mammy. So I see an idea or maybe a bar, maybe be say be a beam. It's no person when you would see a day in number, more their number not there to one patrol. And to know a flower say about surprises, and ye maybe ye buy in January.
Maybe meet you be asked.
No,
young who say can you member seek for price
and to know yourself and be no to patrol and packaging. Yammy sure why send the wash say I'm starting them now so you're more dear ya day everything. Yammy sure go on your Monday ye best sign about better name Yakuba or China sanitation day worldwide Ghana in an year in Timpacho Bomodiana do huni. I said if you want to do honey, you see you so one so be do honey in a beddy if you are sick a beddy henny. Baby bear, Yami show baby and go on Monday, every sign issue. Hey, not it took or cry, or by no.
But your baby, nature.